ومنورانا النهارده ومشرفانا جوهره. هابي رمضان
حبيبتي فور
ايه القمر ده؟
انتي
شوف قاعدين 4 بنات
امارات
انتي قمرات كل واحد ضارب العبايه وقاعد
قاعدين كلنا.
عايزه اسالها الاول عن هي حلوه كده ازاي، بس اسالها بقى ايه بالروسي.
I'm Russian.
Апачему
You're saying that I'm Russian.
Yes.
I am.
Апачему ты Кая Трукая.
برافو عليكي برافو
شفتي هتعرفي تتكلمي عربي
But you said this wrong, but I
Okay,
get you.
okay.
You ask why are you that different? This
Yes,
one
you are
she
very-
asked.
ليه انت مختلفه؟ جميل.
You mean
أسرعي.
that? красиво.
فضحتنا.
красиво.
I know one word. хорошо.
Yes, it's my favorite.
That I know just one word in Russian language.
This is the main word. Bravo.
Really?
Yes.
хорошо. I went there
Yes,
before.
it's like
سافرت روسيا. I
حلو.
went there before.
Good.
مش دي بتاعت محمد هنيدي؟
It's the most popular word we have in
хорошо.
Russia. Yes.
باسيتو.
Despacito.
دي كانت اغنيه.
спасибо يا سيدي. برافو
انا
عليكي.
المترجم هنا.
انت
خلاص نتكلم روسي دلوقتي.
تكلمي روسي؟
احسن.
ايوه كلمه
فرمي
روسي.
احسن.
انا سافرت روسيا قبل كده فعشان كده لقطت.
هتكلمينا روسي؟
يلا بينا we'll talk Russian دلوقتي.
وانا هترجم لكم. سيبوني هترجم لكم.
علمينا واحنا هعلمك مصري، بس انت تتكلمي مصري حلو.
شوية
شوية.
مش حلوة بصراحة بس
اهو بصراحه حلوه قوي. ايوه
يلا انا هترجم، انا خلاص قررت انا هترجم بالاشارات.
طب يلا علمينا
انا بالاشارات يا جماعه يلا.
اي كلمه روسي.
What? Russian what? What did you say? Sorry, that was too much for
Teach
me.
us any
Russian
words.
Вот, I will fix this
Yes,
what
yes,
you
please.
said.
Okay, fix it,
Почему
please.
ты такая красивая?
منك لله.
Красивая.
فتحت علينا فتحه الله يفتحها عليك.
You are very beautiful.
Why are you so beautiful?
Okay.
القالب غالب يا جماعه.
بصراحة.
What is your real name?
Екатерина.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Again?
Yes, it's the shorter
Katerina.
from Екатерина. The full one is Екатерina. Yes.
Can you say
Yes,
slowly?
كاتي
Екатерина.
يا كاترينا.
أيوة
كده
بقى.
كاترينا.
Good one.
اسامي
تقولها ما
البنات
محتاجش
اسامي
اذاكرها
الرقه دي
يا كاترينا.
أيوة زي مزيكا.
Here, يا means يا فرح, يا جوهرة.
أيوة.
Just I'm telling your name.
يا
يا
كاتيوشا. This is the short one.
يا كاتوشا.
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 كاترينا.
أيوة. This my mom called me.
كاتوشا
very
دي عندنا
easy يا
شتيمه
كاترينا.
شكلها كاتوشا.
This is a good one.
Okay, tell us about yourself.
What exactly?
Everything in
Everything.
details.
We'll never finish that program if we start
So we
it.
need to know everything in details.
Yes.
مثلا.
مثلا.
مثلا,
Let's start from something.
from where did you start the job belly dancing?
I've been dancing from since I was 3 years old.
Really?
My mommy put me in the dancing studio when I was only 3.
Your mommy was dancing also?
No, my mom is a professional actress. She plays in
Really?
theater.
She's very famous in Russia?
She's not famous, but she plays in theater, like in.
Okay, بتمثل في المسرح.
أيوة.
ايوه
Which one?
مامتها كانت بتمثل في المسرح وهي اتعلمت الرقص من وهي 3 سنين. كانت مامتها
موهبه
بتاخدها
الموهبه من
مسرح معاها.
الصغر من وهي صغيره سابوها تنطلق.
ايوه.
So I've been dancing like from 3 till 15.
Okay.
Dancing with the partner, you know, the ballroom dancing, the Latin dance and not salsa, samba, cha-cha,
Yes.
waltz, like
Okay.
10
رقص
rock-
انواع
10
رقص
dances.
كتير انواع رقص
Yeah.
كتير من
Wow.
3
Then
ل
I
15.
المترجم بتاعنا
And then
النهارده.
I quit and there come fashion for belly dance. So, and it was also my mom idea.
Belly dancing.
Yes, you know,
Yeah.
Shakira was so famous.
Shakira.
that
Yes, of course.
So it was the vibe and fashion for belly dancing, and my mom got that idea like, Yalla bina, let's try that style
كانت فكره
as well.
مامتها ان هي تخليها
Wow.
ترقص الرقص
Mama,
الشرقي.
really, mama made everything. I'm so
ماما
grateful.
ماما سكرة
تسلمي ايدك.
And of course she's super happy now.
I don't know. She's that type of person who never shows that she's happy. But
Really?
like she's very
proud اكيد.
maybe I hope so.
super
I
proud.
hope.
جوهرة.
I
She
hope.
wants you to do
She
better.
always
and to...
yes push me for achievements, and she has that kind of character.
Nice
you
mom,
know?
nice mom.
Yeah, it's better than super soft moms.
Yes.
Better like that. I'm very grateful to
So
her.
can
for
you
sure.
tell me your full name? But in Russian.
In Russian, okay.
Yes, in Russian language.
كتير قوي ده اكيد.
Andreeva Ekaterina Andreevna.
بس كده
اندريفيا.
ده احنا
Andreevna?
اسامينا اطول.
Yeah, because we have first name, second name, and father name.
بس كده.
So you have two names in one name.
3.
3 names.
And
And then your father
first name,
name.
your second name, and in the end we add the father name as well.
Okay. Can you say it one more time?
Okay, Andreeva Ekaterina Andreevna.
Andreeva, Katerina, Andreeva.
اندريفا كده.
اسم سينمائي يا جماعه.
نحاول نحفظها ان شاء الله ونسمعها المره الجايه. الموضوع
لا
ده
خلاص
صعب.
حفظته اندريفا
جوهرة.
كاترينا
Me.
اندريفا.
برافو شاطرين.
Yes.
والله.
You know, a lot of
سمت
people
نفسها
ask
جوهرة.
from where you get the
Yes.
Johara.
Yes,
From
yes.
Google. I'm answering also from Google. This is true, يا جماعة.
جوهرة.
I
جوهرة.
took this name from Google. Literally, when I start to dance, I was like, I have to have stage names. So
Yes.
I'm like, okay, let's Google the most beautiful Arabic names. And it was the list of the names. So I picked those ones.
هي اختارت
So
يا
you don't
جماعه
want to choose it.
دخلت على جوجل واختارت
Ah,
احسن
and I saw the
اسامي
translation.
جوهره.
أيوة.
احسن الاسم.
I got
والله
that.
انا
بجد
جبت
فعلاً
الجامعة
جوهرة.
قوي.
اسم
أنا
اسم
بترجم.
حلو يسمع مع الناس.
اه
It's very nice name.
بس هو لايق عليها.
Yeah, really?
Yes, it's very nice name.
Oh,
It will
I'm
be
so
so
happy.
easy.
I felt that it's something giving
Special.
me energy. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I really like that. And I took it from long time ago since I started dance. So it's already 21 year ago. I can't believe that I'm saying that.
21 years
أنا
ago.
بقى كام سنه؟
Yes.
عايزين نسالها على سنها يا جماعه.
I'm
بقالها
really
كام سنة؟
dancing 21 year.
بس يا سوسن.
هسالها مش قادره.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Nurhan want to know.
36.
36? Wow.
I'm not
don't
lying
like
about the
that.
age. I don't
Yes.
see the purpose to lie about the age. So yeah, I'm 36.
ايجيبت.
I have the
في مصر
same
هنا
mind like
بيقللوا السن.
Yes.
Yes.
I have the same mind like you. Like I am fine to say
I'm-
my
I'm
age.
like
course,
you. I'm
and I'm
36
proud of
like
my
you.
age, and we all should be
لازم
proud of
نسقف لها
that.
يا جماعه.
Age is
لازم
just a
نسقف
number.
لها. نسقف لها عشان بتقول سنها.
Because age is just a
It's
number.
hard.
This is true.
السن مجرد رقم. قولي سنك عادي ما تتكسفيش. في ناس كتيرة جدا سنهم كبير بس عندهم روح رياضية.
يا جماعة.
بيعملوا كل حاجة واهم حاجة العزيمة وان انت نفسك تعملي حاجة مهما كان سنك. وفي ناس عشرينات وما بيتحركوش في المكان.
أيوة.
ما بيروحش
بروتات.
يحركوا.
برافو عليكي.
بروتات.
عشان نتحرك عادي.
انت صح.
انت فاهمه. اوه.
You work a lot of jobs. Tell us.
You mean dancing or
A lot of
everything?
jobs.
والتمثيل
Translator.
بتمثل.
Like
First
acting.
job.
Yeah, acting is so much fun. I love acting.
Really?
I love acting, but the language, of course, it's not easy
Yes, I
for
was just
me.
about to ask you
Yes.
now. Is it difficult for you
It is
because of the language?
It is because the moment you can learn your words already, but
Yes.
when you work on the set with the actors, the other things happening because people saying their lines and they can confuse their lines as well.
And a lot of
they
people
have-
are standing there.
Yes, and everybody's shouting and. At the some moment, because it's not your native language, all this language inside your mind start to
Yes.
turn
Even
to
though you are
something
studying it so well.
you cannot recognize
Yes,
or